If I refresh here, you can see I earn 500 plus dollar from Upwork, a single profile. Basically, I apply using three methods. Number one, Upwork. Number two, LinkedIn. And number three, email addresses. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you and explain you how I apply new job on LinkedIn. So without any time wastage, let's get started. After watching this video, you are able to apply a new job on LinkedIn and you can get hired and you earn lots of money from. So first you can see this is my dashboard. So you can see the job option. Just click on here. Basically, I am an SEO expert. I have been working last 4 years and I have been completed 20 plus project and I earned around $1,000. So you can see here is the search engine optimization specialist job on my homepage. I can see here are, you can see this is a search engine optimization specialist needed. This person made for Dhaka, Bangladesh 2 days ago and 47 people apply here already. So I want to charge another one, newly job. I want to charge newly job, just search engine optimization specialist. So I want to select another country because of I want to work on USA, UK and Canada and top tier country. I want to select USA as well because of this is a good country I think. And if I charge here, and this is a past week, you can see here are 16 job I see on my homepage. So senior SEO analytics needed, and this is a salary and 40 people already apply on here. So this is a very good chance for me. I want to apply on here. First I recommend you for read every line and every sentence step by step, then apply on here. So I want to apply, just click on apply. Then I am going to another one, search engine optimization specialist. This is 5 days ago pushed on this LinkedIn and 78 people already apply on here. So I want to click on here. Just this is a method. Wow, just next button, and this is my resume. I selected the next button, click review. Wow, submit application. So this is a method you can apply a new job on a link. If you have found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care.